Quick Patch. You can buy it from Home Depot. I bought this product called Quick Patch, and it's designed to fill holes in your asphalt driveway or the road without the need for a heat gun or a fire or pounding down of a cold patch. You just mix it with water. I don't like to read instructions, so that's why I'm making this video for you. And if you read the instructions after watching all of this video, and I hope you watch it all the way to the end, you'll be able to do this repair really easy. We cut a trench across this driveway, 3 inches deep, 5 inches wide, and about 20 feet long to bury an electric line. And now we need to repair the section of the driveway with an easy-to-use repair product. So before I attempt to fill in the area with this patch material, I want to make sure that the sand and the dirt and the small rocks that are in the trench are leveled off evenly, not too deep and certainly not too shallow. It's a good idea to have a wide shovel and a broom handy so you can sweep up the excess dirt and rocks to prevent it from getting inside the mix. It may be hard to tell from this vantage point with my iPhone camera, but I'm making sure that the hole that I'm filling in is at least 2.5 to 3 inches deep. So here's one of the 2 3.5 pound plastic cans that I'll need for this project. This plastic bucket is sealed really well, and you're going to need some type of pliers to get it open and pull off the surrounding plastic strip band. These black pellets inside of the plastic bag are sealed with a wire tie, so you're going to need some type of wire cutter to break the wire tie so you can dump the stuff out. I'm using a garden trowel to help it out of the bucket and kind of raking it in, helping it seat properly. And now I'm using a shovel to level it off and kind of rake it in. I thought the use of a little plastic hammer would help pack it in, but it really didn't pack it firm enough. Instead, let's get a piece of 2x4 and a sledgehammer and help pack it down 12 inches at a time. So after leveling it off and firmly pounding it down, but not pounding it too hard, I still need to top it off with more of the asphalt mix. Now that we've poured the water out and the patch mix is in place, I'm just kind of tamping it down a little bit with this side of the 2x4. This 20-foot long by 5-inch wide asphalt repair was done using a very durable and affordable asphalt-like latex mix. Quick Patch. It does a great job very quickly for a great price. For Indie Tommy Tips, I'm Tommy. Thanks for watching. I do appreciate you very much.